Ever wondered, as you're scrolling through your Spaceship Voyager app, watching those little portfolio graphs go up and, hopefully, up, where exactly your money is going? I mean, it's not just floating in digital space, right? You've put your hard-earned cash in, and you're trusting Spaceship to do something smart with it. But what's that smart actually look like? Let's be honest, investment platforms can feel a bit like black boxes. You see the returns, or lack thereof, but the inner workings remain a mystery. Today, we're going to crack open that box and take a peek inside, focusing specifically on where Spaceship invests your money. First, let's understand Spaceship's core philosophy. They're all about investing in the future, in companies and trends they believe are shaping tomorrow. This isn't your grandfather's stock portfolio filled with dusty, old economy giants. Spaceship is targeting innovation, disruption, and growth. Now, that's a broad statement, so let's get specific. One of their most well-known funds is the Spaceship Universe portfolio. This fund focuses on a diverse range of companies, but with a strong emphasis on technology and consumer discretionary sectors. Think companies involved in e-commerce, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and cutting-edge consumer products. You'll find investments in global giants like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla, companies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But Spaceship also looks beyond the household names, seeking out promising startups and emerging players. They're trying to spot the next big thing before it becomes a household name. Another key area of focus is sustainability. Spaceship offers funds that prioritize companies with strong environmental, social, and governance (ESG) credentials. This means they're looking at how companies are addressing climate change, treating their employees, and maintaining ethical business practices. If you're concerned about the impact of your investments, this is a crucial consideration. Beyond individual companies, Spaceship also invests in broader market trends through ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These funds offer diversification across a basket of assets, allowing Spaceship to capture broader market movements and specific sectors. For example, they might invest in ETFs that track the performance of the global technology sector or emerging markets. It's important to remember that Spaceship isn't just throwing darts at a list of stocks. They have a team of investment professionals who conduct thorough research and analysis to identify promising opportunities. They're looking at factors like financial performance, growth potential, and competitive advantage. However, and this is crucial, it's not a magic formula. Investing always involves risk, and even the most skilled analysts can't predict the future with certainty. Spaceship's focus on growth and innovation means that some of their investments may be in higher risk, higher reward areas. This means that while the potential for gains is significant, so is the potential for losses. Spaceship also provides different portfolio options, allowing you to choose a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're a more conservative investor, you might opt for a portfolio with a greater allocation to established companies and lower-risk assets. If you're more comfortable with risk, you might choose a portfolio with a higher allocation to growth stocks and emerging technologies. Ultimately, Spaceship invests your money in a diverse portfolio of companies and assets, with a focus on innovation, growth, and sustainability. They're aiming to identify the companies and trends that are shaping the future, but they're doing so within the framework of a carefully managed investment strategy. It's about providing access to investment opportunities that might otherwise be difficult for individual investors to access. They're trying to democratize investing, making it easier for everyone to participate in the growth of the global economy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.